This is all of our investments. Everybody, take a moment to please subscribe to the channel. This is actually a recap for yesterday. I had a family emergency that came up, so I wasn't here. So go ahead and play catch up here. EXN, first one I want to talk about. And as you can see, why I don't like trading the first 5 minutes. This thing pretty much opened up here at 99 cents and just dropped off on everybody. So and I'm not seeing any news on it. So with the stock with no news comes more risk. Let's see. Okay, FATH. This one got halted a couple times. Let me go back here. Yeah, so it went from it's like 5:30 area up to hit a high of 8:11 in the morning. So this is a really nice move on this one. Let me break it down to the 1 minute chart here. Yeah, so really nice move here at 9:33. Came back, bounced off of VWAP, and came back up, hit a high of 8:11. So, hopefully you guys were quick on that candle there. That's actually coming out of a halt there. So you really had to be quick to catch that one. Let's see, MCMJ. Okay, I believe this one. They're merging with a SPAC company, a special acquisition company, and I believe it's a $30 million deal. So that's what the volatility is on this one. Yeah, so you can say it's kind of acting like I guess it kind of is a buyout. I mean, they bought into not a SPAC company, so that went it really isn't the type of thing I normally trade. PIK, this one they were talking about on Twitter. You can see it was just all over the place yesterday. Let me back this up a little bit. Okay, so on Tuesday it had been all the way down at 4:30. And then it come up to the $6 area by the afternoon, and then overnight it went all the way up to 860. So it's pretty much within like 24-hour period, it more than doubled. See, I guess compared to where it started at before the after hours yesterday, it's really still kind of pulled back quite a bit. Pretty much sort of dropped off there at the open. Had a nice move here through VWAP. Nice spike there. Came down, tapped it again. Retried these levels here and couldn't do it. There were a couple more spikes later on in the day. BJDX. I think they got a new $10 price target. So it still went from like 270 up to 327. So a nice little move. Of course, by the time it opened, it just sort of like a mirror image there. It just slowly came all the way back down. Well, not really. Within an hour and a half. NXGL, they announced a new project they're working on. new looks like a hydrogel patch they're coming out with. New product is what I meant to say. So it came from let's see, like the 290 area all the way up to 427 pre-market. Just had a couple real quick spikes there at the open, and then it just pretty much came all the way back down. Well, especially by through today. And I think the only other one is BTBD. This one got halted once. Ultimately, it moved from like 330 up to 495. So really nice move on that one. Then eventually came back down. Yes, that's all. That all I have for yesterday of the 12th. So once again, this is all of our investments. Everybody take a moment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll go ahead and get on today's video. Alright, thank you.